How to be successful. All of us want to have a better life. A life filled with wealth, happiness and love. But, how can we achieve it? What can we do to reach our goals and success? Here are some tips on how to be successful in life. Number 1, visualize your success. Think about the future you want to have and focus on achieving it. Decide exactly what you want to do and where you want to go. Number 2, challenge yourself. Challenges and struggles help you grow. Without it, life is totally boring. Learn to deal with challenges. It will make you become stronger and wiser. Number 3, be passionate. If you do something without your heart on it, you'll just end up quitting, but if you love what you are doing, you become happy, more creative and more motivated. Albert Schweitzer said, "Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success." If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Number 4, persevere. Never stop in reaching your goals. If you feel tired during your journey, rest but never surrender. Never give up. Keep trying and keep fighting until you reach your goal. Thomas Edison said our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Number 5, push yourself to the limit. Do everything at your very best. If you don't push yourself, you'll not be able to see your real potential. Pushing yourself to the limit will make you feel much more empowered and will help you in achieving success. Number 6, have faith in yourself. You must believe that you can do anything and everything to make your dreams come true. Believing in yourself makes you work more confidently and better. Mark Twain said, "A man cannot be comfortable without his own approval." Number 7, remove all the toxic people in your life. Get rid of those people who are not good for you. They will just drain your energy and fill your life with negativity. They will be a hindrance for your success. Lastly, number 8, take care of yourself. Health is wealth. To be successful, you need to stay healthy, physically and mentally. Staying healthy keeps you more focused in achieving your goal. Have a balanced diet, exercise and drink a lot of water. There is no shortcut to succeed in life. In order to be successful, you'll need to work on a lot of things. Remember to use these steps in achieving your goals.